What is going on, guys? Ian here with another video, and today we're doing something a little bit different. Any of you that kind of know me on a personal level know that there's a couple of things, a couple of genres, a couple of series I like, and one of those is Star Wars. Now, just before Christmas, a friend of mine sent me a message, and there was a link with that message to a company that sells lightsabers. And being a big Star Wars fan, yeah, it kind of set me thinking. So it wasn't long before I was on the site, and you know what, I thought, I've never heard of this company before. I could be just throwing 100 quid down the toilet, but let's see if these lightsabers are any good. So before I knew it, I was on the site entering my card details, picking out a lightsaber that I like the look of. Now bear in mind, these are not Star Wars lightsabers that we're using on the screen. These are unique designs. And yeah, then a couple of weeks later, the lightsaber came. I'm guessing there's no packaging, I've just got this cardboard tube, but there should be hopefully a lightsaber, a working lightsaber inside there. Now the company that I ordered from is a company called SABERSPRO, which I've got to admit I'd never heard of in the past. So this is, in my opinion, there's a small bit of a gamble on there. I can't imagine that companies would sell complete junk. I went for a lightsaber called the Legacy. So we'll get this thing open and see if it's what it claims to be. Now, that side, this end feels heavier. So I'm guessing this is the end that has the hilt. So okay, there comes the top. I do see what, yeah, it certainly looks like the end of the hilt. Sounds quite metally, so you know what, we might be onto something here. There we go. So this could be interesting. So we actually have what appears to be the handle of the saber, and that does sound metal, and then the blade. Oh, we're out of space. Okay, there's something rattling in there, I can't figure out what. We'll come back to that in a second. So let's have a look at this. So definitely feels metal. It feels okay. It feels relatively sturdy. Now I'm guessing that is the on-off button, and that does nothing. Okay, so okay. That's loose, so we'll take that off. And hopefully we're going to get a working lightsaber. So in there's like a button. So do we need to push that button? I'm starting to get a bad feeling about this. Okay. That part comes off. There's some sort of circuitry in there. Let's see if in the other end of this tube that there are some instructions, because yeah, at the moment we have nothing. And you should always cut away from you. I'm breaking the cardinal rule. But aha, we do have some more stuff. Okay, so let's have a look at this and see what it says. Oh, so we have, make sure it's charged first. To awaken from deep sleep, hold button for 4 seconds. So yeah, That's not doing anything. So we need to charge this thing. So our lightsaber has now been on charge. All being well, we'll be able to get this thing to power up. So the power button is here, as we said before, and according to instructions we hold this down for 4 seconds. Oh, something's happened. Push the power button again. Here we go. So we've got a purple blade. Now this is a dueling lightsaber, so hitting it is okay. It is designed to take a little bit of force. Now if we wanted to change the colour of the blade, we hold the power button down for 2 seconds. Okay, yellow, blue, red. That's definitely blue. Yellow. Turquoise, it's like incensed turquoise. Another blue, green, orange, and then back to purple. Let's just take this film off for the... And let's find the colour we want to go with. So let's go for... a lighter blue. Let's go for that blue colour there. Okay, so turn it off. Okay, so now I'm going to turn these studio lights off and we're going to fire this up in the dark and just see how bright this thing can be. I'm still here. Look at that. Okay, so we'll just go through the colours again while it's dark. There should be enough light coming from this thing for you to see me. So we've got green, pink, orange, Mace Windu purple. Now I really do like that colour. I do like that colour. Yellow, pink, white, red. Blue, yellow, turquoise, incensed turquoise, and then we've got the lighter blue, which is like the light Luke Skywalker, Anakin blue. But you know what? I'm going to take this back to the purple that we got out of the box because I actually do like that colour. Oh, I love this thing. Now, in terms of build quality, I would say it seems fairly robust. Definitely seems fairly robust. It's not too heavy. The blade isn't too long. All in all, it's actually not a bad purchase. I'm actually quite impressed with this. Now, this model, as I mentioned, is the Legacy. It's not the cheapest one that is available from SABERSPRO. There are cheaper models. There's a couple that are based on Star Wars, but this one isn't. But I just like the simplicity of the design. And in terms of, yeah, I'm fairly impressed with the build quality. Now, the blade is removable. I just went for the basic Baselit saber. I didn't go for the Neopixel version of it. Now, the Neopixel version of it literally lights up properly. And it actually extends from the blade, whereas this literally just lights up from the base. It's a hollow tube and it just lights up. The Neopixel actually does light up, as you would expect a lightsaber too, but I'm absolutely not disappointed one bit with this. I really do like it. And there we go, going through the blade colours once again. I do like this. I am not a blades person. I don't really have enough room in this office. But that's pretty much it. Just a quick little video. I wanted to share this with you. Yeah. I can't say it's my first lightsaber because, as I said, I do have the Force Effects Luke Skywalker Return of the Jedi one, which at some point I will unbox. But this is my first sort of lightsaber that isn't a replica. And all in all, I've got to say, for saying that I'd never heard of SABERSPRO, yeah, I'm actually quite impressed. And you know what, I might actually be tempted to buy another one that is Neopixel. That is the Legacy lightsaber from SABERSPRO. Hashtag definitely not sponsored. But yeah, very, very impressed. I have a new toy. I've been called a big kid on many occasions. Now I am a big kid. But since I was a kid, I've always wanted my own lightsaber, and this is probably the closest I'm ever going to get. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Please push the thumbs up button if you like this video. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you a Star Wars fan? Do you own a lightsaber? If you do, which one? And yeah, if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate each and every one of you subscribers and really do value it. So thanks for watching. Waterfall out.